Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Friday the 12th of August 2022. Looking across at crypto markets today, pretty flat trading action so far. So what I'll do is I'll focus on what we saw yesterday, particularly on Bitcoin here, which is shaping up quite interesting at the moment. Some decent trading opportunities. Yesterday, you can see on the daily that bearish reversal pin bar of the round number of 25,000. So a few factors there. You got the round number reversal. You see that on Bitcoin quite frequently. And then with the bearish pin bar, you've got an opportunity now where if we look to really, put some pressure on that low from yesterday, we could look to fade all them gains that we saw post CPI on Wednesday and then move back into that 50-day moving average, back into the channel low. Could be on the cards. So the channel structure remains. It's proving pretty solid support at this point. But a move down after that reversal pin bar shouldn't be ruled out today. Ethereum's just seen a bit of a pause, as you can see, didn't quite get that selling that we saw on Bitcoin yesterday. So Ethereum's just remained pretty flat in all honesty. You can see just complete flat trading conditions and my levels are unchanged. I'm still expecting from here a leg at least to attempt to get to 2,000. Let's see if there's enough buying momentum to get us there. Ripple, as you can see on the H4, completely flat as well. Hasn't gone anywhere, 0.3720 currently trading at. Overhead resistance remains at 0.3870. I've said that several times and we have just seen a flicker into that and rejection off it. Litecoin at 61.89, as you can see. We've had a few attempts now to break into the 64 area. Downside support comes to at 60. And if we can't hold there, we look to retest that current most recent swing low, which got priced and printed at 57.45. So Litecoin continues to hold the channel though as well. You can see a strong trend line underneath. I haven't got it drawn on here, but the strong trend line. Just starting to see a bit of resistance though here, aren't we? At 64.30. So if we can't get through that, just watch out for this trend line below, getting into a bit of a pointy end here of the resistance and the support. That's it from my end, guys. Until next time, I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care and bye for now.